On the Blue Alliance, we have Team 20207, Blue. And we also have Team 10541, Duckasaurus Rex Robotics. On the Red Alliance, we have Team 3188, Squiggle, Splat, Bang. And Team 2278, the RoboRams. All alliances ready. We'll go ahead and start our match in 3, 2, 1. Dropped perfectly onto the high wall coming by the card. We'll have to make sure we have a recording of that one.
$3, 3, 2, 1.
Now 318 has to be careful when they put more specimens on, or else they might knock that one off. We've got movement from both red and blue alliances here. Red alliance securing that specimen on that top bar. Also moving some samples into their observation zone. Ooh. Teaching themselves, dislodging their number plate there. Looks like Blue Alliance might be having some difficulties navigating the field for Duckasaurus Rex. And Blue may be having some issues. I see a green light on the robot. For this lightning detaching a number plate on the field, while also scoring another specimen on that high bar. Dropping off that specimen here, getting reoriented by the team player. Looks like we've got about 20 seconds to end game. Blue Alliance looking to bury their line-specific markers into the net zone on the other side of the field here. 10 seconds to end game. Squiggle Splat Bang working through this devastating loss of their numbers. And we have a start of our end game here. All teams looking to continue scoring as opposed to climbing. Oh, never mind, we have our large robot, our second level climb here. Got 15 seconds left in end game. Let's see if they can climb without knocking out some specimens. 8 seconds, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We've got our scores for this match here. And it looks like we are going to have a Red Alliance victory.